Mira, ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Abagavana korwase County ekyo kibagekaine nyancha ya Victoria gose Great Lake Region nigo balireira gosaba bekirese iyo koigwana okyakobeka emirobere yoko enekia bunango bwatirana barere gokinya uchumi nabayigo koreta magendero ase County ekiga.
Note of linking lakefront planning and the Lake Victoria Ring Road to the Lake Victoria Regional Development Program, improving infrastructure to human capital opportunities and market for residents.
As you know, Homa Bay County has the largest percentage of Lake Victoria. So we will be learning and growing and moving that forward as well. So we are very grateful, and as Governor has said, we are hitting the road running, and we will be moving some steps we will take with our stakeholders, assembly and other stakeholders in Homa Bay in the coming weeks, and we will hopefully be back. But our point is our unity will be our strength.